Day 19 of learning German without memorizing words. Today is the ultimate showdown. The accusative attack and the dative parking spot are colliding in a single sentence. Look at this simple English phrase. I am giving the dog to the woman. Try to translate this using a standard dictionary grammar table, and your brain will instantly freeze. German architecture has two strict laws for this. First, the person receiving the item always comes first. Second, apply our mutations. The woman is the passive receiver. She enters the dative parking spot, flipping D into der. The dog takes the direct accusative attack, turning der into den. Mutate your English. I give der Woman den Dog. Look how flawless the real German is. Ich gebe der Frau den Hund. To an outsider, the genders look completely backwards. To you, it's just pure logic. Master the showdown. Master the matrix. Hit follow for day 20, where I give you the ultimate cheat code for the words that force these cases automatically.